Tower, Skyhawk 17223, ready for departure at 13.
Skyhawk 17223, Page Tower, right turn out clear, Charlie, runway 13 at intersection Echo 2, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, right turn out approved, 163. Is 3 miles, we'd like the option.
63 runway 13 cleared for the option, then make right traffic.
For the option, make right traffic for 13.